Today is a very exciting day because I finally got to upgrade my iPad. I got the iPad Pro 11-inch in the M4 chip, so it's the 2024 model. When I chose my first model, I really regret that I got the one with only 64 GB in storage. So this time I got the iPad in 512 GB storage, and I think that will be sufficient storage for the things that I do. So yeah, watch me set this up, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. So I actually got like this same case in this color first, but I don't know. I thought it was gonna be lighter than this, a little bit more whitish gray, so I wasn't really happy with it. So I decided to order them in two other colors. I think these are exactly what I was expecting, so I'm really happy with them. It's like a bluish green color and a pink. So I quickly wanted to show you guys the difference in display of the two models I have. So they're both on the highest brightness level. So this is my old iPad Pro from 2018 and this is my new iPad. And as you can tell, this one is a lot more like brighter, and that's because they're using the new OLED screen. And I'm actually using a glossy screen protector on this one, and on this one I'm using a matte screen protector. The problem I have with this model is that if I were to put on a matte screen protector, the display wouldn't really show up well. Whereas with this model, you can definitely tell that you don't have any reflections. So yeah, I'm really happy with the upgrade when it comes to display. So I've been really enjoying the hover feature, and I think this is not exclusive to the new iPad Pro. I think the older models also have this, and then it's also compatible with the Apple Pencil of the second generation. Like when your pencil is lifted up so it's not touching the screen, you can see where the tool is on the screen. And then as you lift up, like you can follow where it ends and where it starts. But yeah, I think it's really handy for all the artists and designers out there. So as for the Apple Pencils, this current iPad Pro, it's not compatible with any other pencil other than the Apple Pencil Pro and I believe the USB-C pencil. So I think that's a little bit sneaky of Apple that I can't just use my second gen pencil that I already had. But oh well, I will take the loss, I guess. So I guess the main new feature would be the pinch or the squeeze feature, which lets you access the pop-up menu very easily. And it also has like haptic feedback, so if you squeeze, you can feel like a click. And I like it so far, but sometimes I notice that I accidentally squeeze the pencil because I hold my pencil like this, which is, I know it's not like the correct way to hold the pencil. And other than that, you can tap to switch tools like earlier. And then this is also new where like your tool rotates together with your pencil. Another cool thing that they did is that you can see like a shadow of the tool you're using on the screen. I don't know if you guys can tell. So as you can see, it's kind of like a highlighter shape because I'm using the highlighter right now. And then if you were to use a pen, then the shadow changes. So this is all UI, so it's not like an actual shadow. So I mean, I think that's cool. And as for the squeeze feature, not many apps support it yet. I believe GoodNotes supports it, yes. So if you squeeze within GoodNotes, it does show up like a pop-up menu. But if you, for example, go to Procreate, like even if you pinch, nothing happens. So I guess this is just a matter of like apps updating to the new features, so it might take some time. But I think this iPad or like this Apple Pencil has been released for quite some time now. I think it has been released for half a year already. So I'm not sure when we should be expecting this, but yeah. によって素敵な名前ね。
おじさん、リサ知らない？
リサさん？
赤ちゃんよ。So I've been using this new iPad for about 2 weeks now, and I can definitely tell that I'm very happy with this purchase and with the upgrade. The main thing I would say is, of course, the performance, but also my battery life improved. Also, the screen quality is a lot better because of the OLED screen. I guess the only downside to this model would be the compatibility with the Apple Pencils. I'm still salty about the fact that I had to buy a new Apple Pencil when I still have my second gen pencil. That's perfectly fine. And also because the upgrades are more like software based, I feel like, than hardware. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and review. Let me know if you guys have any questions about my iPad setup or the apps I'm using, and I will be happy to answer them in the comments. Bye!